We'll guide you through how to create Figma library. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, start a new project by clicking the plus design button on the dashboard. The edit page of your project will open with a blank canvas. Begin by creating a simple color palette using several square shapes. Press the R key on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool, then draw one square on the canvas. Duplicate the square and move the copy beside the original. Select the second square and change its fill color so it becomes slightly darker than the first one. Duplicate the second square again and repeat the same process by making each new square a little darker or lighter, depending on the palette you want to create. Continue repeating these steps until you have enough color samples for your palette. After preparing all the color squares, move your cursor to the left side of the interface and open the variable section. Click the Create button, then choose Color to create a new color variable. Select the first variable and adjust its color value so it exactly matches the first square in your palette. Next, click Create Variable again to add another color variable. Change its value to match the second square in your palette. Continue creating additional color variables until every color in your palette has a corresponding variable. When you finish creating all the variables, verify that they have been added successfully. Select one of your color squares, then open the Fill menu in the Design panel. Under the Library section, check whether your newly created color variables appear.